Sure, all mowers cut grass, but only a Ferris mower with suspension technology can provide you with increased productivity, quality of cut, durability, and comfort. The caster wheels and cutting deck are connected to the frame beneath the suspension. This lets the deck follow the wheels as they move up and down in relation to the ground contours. Maintaining the distance between the deck and the ground results in a beautiful, consistent cut. Suspension allows you to more easily adjust to rough terrain, resulting in increased productivity. You can mow rougher ground faster. Visit your local Ferris dealer to experience the difference suspension makes.